All right, check out this. This is like a deluxe package. Let's open her up. You get a tarp. This goes around the person that you're cutting their hair. Set that to the side. And here is all the stuff. Let's set this over here. I think this is going to be pretty cool. Bum, bum. Oh, wow, look at this. So you get a bunch of these. Set that to the side. You get a bunch of information on it. Let's put that over here. And then it comes with, look at all these guards. You've got a bunch of guards, right? I mean, look at all the different sizes. So you've got all these guards, plus you got these guards, I do believe. And then you've got wow, look at this one here. Wow, that's nice. It's got a USB-C down here. It's got a piece of tape over it. I guess that's to keep it from, must be the on button here. Let me get that off. All right, so that must be, oh yeah, look, it's got a charge already. So that's nice looking, right? Let's put that back. All right, let's take a look at this one. Woo! Look at that. Wow. Oh, it's got a guard on it too, look. It's got to come off here. Oh, there we go. All right, so that's a guard that it came with. So this guard was on there like this, and it just snaps on. To get it off, you got to pop it. So this protects that blade. And that's nice, right? So check it out, look. So this, you can change. You see that? Watch here, let me show you here so you can see it. See how it goes up and down? And then this is your on. That's ready to go. Now you have all these different guards that you can use too. You know what I mean? So these would go, I guess, like that. You see that? And then pop them off like that. So those all come with that. Let's set that down. Boy, that's really nice. And then you also get a comb. I'm going to leave it in its case. It also comes with the oil and a USB-C A to C. And there's two of them. So you get two of these for each one of these. Right? Let's go ahead and keep those in there. Oh, we can put the guard back on. This protects it, right? Wow, that's nice. And then these are additional ones for this one here. So those are guards for the small one. So you've got those. Let me set those in there so we don't lose them. And I want to put all of this in here too, so we don't lose that. Maybe this one here. And yeah, this one's already it's already folded. But yeah, that's it right there, man. And I guess we could look at this, see what it looks like. Let's see if oh yeah, so we can open it here. Yeah, this is nice. Wow. All right, so it opens up, and this goes over your clients, you know, so they don't get messed up. Look, I don't know what that is. All right, we're gonna have to check this out. Look, here it is. So this would go like this. Look, you see, it's got two little clips on it right here. I'll show you. There's two clips. So this goes around the client like that. And then you gotta snap it together like this. And there I am. I can look at my phone if I want while I'm doing it. You see? That's the idea. Now let's see if I can get it undone. Okay, there we go. So that's kind of cool, right? Yeah. So yeah, that's it right there. So they can look at their phone and they can keep their hands underneath there. All right, so we're just going to give this one a try, right? All right, so that worked pretty good. All right. You can do my eyebrows. Pretty good. All right, that's the small one. I thought it was great. Just got to clean it off a little bit. But yeah, definitely. I would highly recommend getting this bad boy because these things work great.